What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and luckily, excitingly, you guys already know what time it is. Today is December 1st, baby, and we got our wonderful, amazing, beautiful, magnificent Madam Glam VIP box, you guys. Our VIP manicure box. Sometimes I can't even think. This one is themed for December, called a snowy layover collection, and I'm super excited. The colors are slapping, whapping, you guys. I really love how, like, sometimes there might be similar colors to, like, sometimes colors may be similar to ones we've seen before, but they'll have a slight difference, and that's what makes me happy, because like it makes them unique, and it just makes something that you already like feel brand new. So I feel like that about one of these colors, this one called Aspen Glam. Look, you guys, can you see that? It literally is like a similar color that I have shown on my channel before, but it's blue and purple. So not just like blue and holographic, but actually blue and purple, and it is so cute. Hold on, I literally have to see how this is gonna look. I can't wait. I'm so oh my yes, it's so beautiful. I don't know, like, what would go cute with this? It's called a snowy layover. This is definitely giving snowy layover vibes. Literally so cute. I can't. Okay, I have to stop. You guys know how I like to apply thick layers, even though I'm not supposed to. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. Anyway, so this one is called Aspen Glam. Which one should I show you guys next? Okay, we'll do this one. This one's called Oh Dear. And you guys know that Madam Glam is good for the nudes. They can create so many different nude colors, and yet they all look unique and original. It's just, I don't get how they do it, but they do. And look at this one. It's so beautiful. I love this color. Every time I see a color like this, it just gives me sweater now vibes. Oh my, it's so pretty. Oh dear. Nah, I'm just kidding, you guys. All right, so we got that one. I really, really love this one, so we're going to save that one for last. This one is called Feelin' Pine, and I like this color, but it's giving turquoise vibes. I'm not really into turquoise. But actually it looks a little greener than I anticipated. Wow, this is beautiful. I need to clip that, but this is really pretty. Oh wow, look at, oh my, I like it. It's giving dinosaur vibes. It's like the perfect dino green. I always have such a hard time showing the greens on camera effectively for some reason. And then let's do this one called Rudolph. We should have been able to guess that. This one has a very faint, like pink, purple, blue, and then of course red glitter. Oh my goodness, it is so luscious and beautiful. Wow, I'm gonna put it right next to this one. Oh man, I don't know how I'm gonna label these, but it's okay. Oh my, I love this. This is so beautiful. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. You guys know you can always save 30% off of your Madam Glam purchases with my discount code. I think it's, oh, hold on, let me check. I have to look. I think it's Goddess Now's 30. Goddess Now's 30. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna zoom in a second, you guys, so you can see them up close. But Ready, Set, Ski. I love this. It's giving, you guys know those big old bubble coats. I don't know why, but they always come in a color like this, and that's what I thought of. This is the most beautiful blue I have ever seen in my entire nail art career. Oh my. This is a neon blue, you guys. It's electric AF. It's popping off of the paper. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. You guys, I am so obsessed. This is so beautiful. The one thing I can say about all of these colors is I really cannot think of how to incorporate more than one of them into a set. Like, maybe I could put this one and this one in a set together, but I can't really see any of these colors going in a set, into a set together. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. Here, let's see. Looky, looky, looky. Now the glitters, I think you can kind of see the purple glitter, but on this one, all of the colorful glitters are very faint. So, but this one you can see the pink purple glitter fairly well. I am obsessed. This is my favorite, like hands down, absolute fave. Which one is you guys' favorite? Drop a comment down below and let me know. And you guys, surprise, surprise, I do have another Madam Glam unboxing to do. This one is a little behind. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so these are Madam Glam exPRESS-on nails, and I am so obsessed. I didn't know that I was gonna get these ones. For some reason I thought they were gonna be a little different, but we also got the exPRESS-on nails adhesive tabs, which I'm super excited to try. I've only tried these tabs before from Macart, because I used Macart press-ons before. But so this is gonna come with how many tabs? Oof. Okay. Wow, you guys, you get a crap ton. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow, this is nice. Okay, and they look sticky. All right, so this is the tabs. As you guys can tell, I clearly can't put these on right now, but I am going to be wearing them soon. When I do wear them, before I wear them, I'm going to decorate them. We're going to decorate them with our Maniology kit that you guys saw me unbox recently. I'm a little concerned, to be totally honest. These probably, I don't know if they're going to fit. Let's see. Oh, and it even comes with tabs. I got tabs for days. These help when you create press-ons. So let me see. I wanted to see how the sizing would be, because these look kind of small. But look at this big old thumbnail. I think they will fit. Yeah, they will. Okay, okay, this is really cute. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. I'm really excited to start using their press-ons. They have multiple designs. I'll try to put them I'll include it in the blog post. You guys, I'm going to be on my blog more now again. So I'll remember to put it on my blog post. Hold on. How does this go? Yeah, I will include that. Oh, I think I'm doing it wrong. But anyways, I'll include that on my blog post. I'm really excited to start blogging again. So I'll show you guys the multiple different designs that they have. And just don't be like me. I'm not doing this right. Okay, here we go. There. All right, great. Now I want to tell you guys. So it does have all of the information that you need on the back of the box. So you prep your nails, la la la, blah blah blah. It tells you every single thing you need to know. Okay. Yep, and it even gives you a pro tip. When you're in between sizes, using a smaller size is recommended. Using a bigger size could affect the longevity of adhesion because some of the nail hangs off and then it doesn't adhere very well, or it pops off easily. So this is amazing. Oh, and it even has easy removal tips. I am obsessed. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, both of these unboxings. You guys will see these products more soon. You're definitely gonna see these press-ons. I'm gonna decorate them in an upcoming video, and then we will also apply them whenever I remove my nails. In the meantime, if you like these press-ons, let me know, because you guys know I have a giveaway that I'm doing, and I am definitely looking for some giveaway prize ideas. So just keep me posted on what your thoughts are. Drop a comment down below. If you are not already, go ahead and subscribe so that you can turn on your notification bell and be notified every single time I upload. Aside from that, if you like this video, smash that like button, and I love you guys so much. You can check out the blog post that will accompany this video. Just look in the description box. Holla y'all. Peace.